Okay, so one quick shout out to people who are familiar with Java. C# enumerations behave very differently than Java enumerations. I just want to point that out. In Java enumerations, we can do a whole bunch of fun stuff with them. In C# enumerations, we're pretty much stuck to doing what I showed here. There's a couple more tricks we can do to enumerations, such as manually setting their backing numbers or changing the underlying type, but that's not important. What's important to understand about enumerations now is that we can use them to describe a finite set of potential values. And that's it. And it might seem very simple, and you might be wondering, when am I ever going to use it? And I can't answer that question, but what I can say is that eventually you will be sitting down programming and you'll be thinking to yourself, wait, I want to represent a finite set of values, and then you should use an enumeration. Alrighty. So I don't know what else to say about them, other than their academic definition. They represent a finite set of values. The biggest thing that I kind of wanted people to see here is kind of a precursor to next week, and that's an example of us creating our own type. Like I said, in C# there are many different kinds of types, but one of them is an enumeration, and the types that we can define allow us to extend our program and make it more succinct and comprehensible by providing some level of abstraction. And in this case, we are abstracting over basic numbers and giving them names. And that's all we're doing right here. It's a very simple construct, but it's a very powerful idea that we are able to define something up here outside of main, even outside of program if we wanted to, that allows us to create variables of that type.